The Bal-Last interlocking ballast system is designed for ease of installation and safety for grinder pump installers. Hardware comes packaged with 6 bags per carton, each bag containing 4 3/8 of an inch by 10-inch galvanized spikes and 4 3/8 of an inch forged steel lifting eye bolts. Also shown is the Bal-Last tensioning tool and hardware. To begin, place the blocks and hardware near the pump for easy access to the pump. The pump comes delivered on a pallet and secured with lag screws for shipping. Remove those shipping lag screws. Remove the blue and red PVC plugs from the Bal-Last block pin sleeves and then clear pin sleeves of any loose concrete. The locking spike makes quick work of this. Gently slide the pump off of the pallet and onto level ground, a paved area, or your shop floor. Bal-Last can provide a leveling shim pad for use in uneven ground. Place Bal-Last blocks around the pump and slide the interlocking tongue and groove joints together. Begin setting locking spikes. Alignment may require some shifting of the blocks. Working around the pump, set 3 of the locking spikes. Once 3 spikes are in place, the Bal-Last tensioning tool can be used to help pull the last joint together. Next, steel wedge plates are inserted into each side of the ballast ring. The ratchet strap is clipped to the wedge plates and then tightened to pull the last block joint together. Use care not to pull too tight, as the block spacing allows some room for alignment of the locking pin sleeves. Place the last pin sleeve. The Bal-Last system comes with 4 lifting eye bolts. Thread these into the lifting inserts in the center of each Bal-Last block. Finally, remove the tensioning strap. Great job! Your pump and ballast are complete and ready to be installed.